Good morning, students. Today I will explain subject Computer Studies, Standard 11, Lesson 3, Creating Animation Using Syncing, Part 2. Command for rendering. Yes, last time I will explain create animation and then save a file and then rendering. Rendering, the path is click to caret and then file and then render. At the time of rendering, select target format as GIF instead of auto, and extension of file is giving .gif. After giving this command and click on render, we can see the message file rendered successfully and animation can be seen in browser or image viewer. That is a rendering. Next is a keyframe button. It is shown on params panel. That means a bottom side panel. By clicking on add keyframes button, a new entry in the list is displayed with 0f jump. That means first frame is always 0f, and the second and the third and the fourth, fifth as per your animation requirement to add a keyframe. There are 4 options on keyframe panel. First is the time, second length, third jump, and fourth is the description. First time indicates the start time. Length indicates duration. Jump indicates correct exact time. Description links used to jump to correct panel. That is a keyframe panel. Next is a waypoint. Orange diamonds shown on the Trimtech panel, that is a waypoint. They represent the time at which the parameters like color or locations of the object changes. Loop that means repetitions. Time loop, repetition of animation for a certain time, that is a time loop. Command to preview the animation, click to file menu and then preview. To open canvas properties dialog box, click to caret menu and then click to caret and then edit menu and then properties. To add time loop layer, right click on object layer and then new layer and then other and then time loop. That is a time loop over a circle object. Using time loop, in the circle, create a new file. Select the circle tool and in the tool option select only the region and the outline layer as shown in figure 3.40. Draw a circle on the canvas and then Turn on the animate mode in the timeline. Record the position of 0f by moving the ball slightly from its position. Now select the keyframe panel and add a keyframe, that is a bottom params panel, and then plus sign, that is a left side corner, bottom corner, plus sign at the bottom of the keyframe panel. That is a first is a 0f keyframe, and then now in the timeline come to 6f and drag the ball to a new positions. Add a new keyframe at 6f as shown figure, and now similarly go to 12f and 18f and drag the ball to the location as shown in figure. Add a keyframe at both timing locations, and now come back to first S in the timeline. Here we need the ball to come to its original position, which we had at 0f. So we need to duplicate the keyframe at 0f. Select the key 0f keyframe from the keyframe panel and press duplicate keyframe as shown in figure. That is a duplicate keyframe. To add a duplicate keyframe, this will add a new duplicate keyframe at 1s as shown in figure, and the next add a new duplicate keyframe, and then likewise to animate the ball twice we need to create the duplicate keyframe as 1s 6f, 1s 12f, 1s 18f and 2s. Now preview the animation using click to file and then preview. You will see the ball bouncing twice till 2 seconds, and the stop, we want the animation to go on till the end time. In our case the ending time is 5 seconds. We will insert a new time loop layer above the circle layer. Select topmost circle outline layer and then right click and then add a new layer and then another time loop. This will add a new layer as shown in figure. The time loop parameters in figure, so the duration will denote the frame or seconds data loop. We can change it to 2s as our animation is playing twice till 2s. That is a add to time loop, and then preview the animation and you will see that the animation goes on playing till the end time. If you change the ending time to 10s in the file properties window, when the animation will go on playing till 10s, and save the rendering file and show the output on the web browser. That means left to right, right to left, that is a continue 10s seconds. because your ending time will be changed in 5s to 10s. So 10s, that is the ball is left to right and right to left continue, because the adding a time loop and keyframes. This chapter is over. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.